Right. I'm coming to you from Harare, Zimbabwe, the capital city of Zimbabwe, by the name Harare. And I have news, I have updates, I have current development that I want to communicate to you, that I want to tell you. News, updates, developments, trending stories that are happening in Zimbabwe. Right. I just saw that the government of Zimbabwe, via or through the president, Dr. Idi Mnangagwa, they've came up with a plan to ensure that Victoria Falls border post operate on a 24-hour model, operate on a 24-hour operational model. So this is the news that I want to tell you. If a Zimbabwean, a Shona Zimbabwean, or Ndebele Zimbabwean, or a general African from whatever country in Africa, but you are so much interested in African content, you are so much interested or vested in African things, African content. So in Zimbabwe, our president, Dr. Idi Mnangagwa, has came up with a new vision that sees Victoria Falls border post, the border between Zambia and Zimbabwe, or Zimbabwe and Zambia, operating on a 24-hour basis, operating on a 24-hour model. So this is what I want to tell you, Zimbabweans, fellow Zimbabweans, either Shona Zimbabweans or Ndebele Zimbabweans. Personally, I'm happy at knowing this kind of an update, at knowing and being aware of this news. I was so happy when I heard about this news, when I came to catch up with this kind of information that this is very good, this is very nice, this is much wonderful, this is so beautiful. So Victoria Falls border post, according to information that I have, official information, official data, right from the Zimbabwean government, from December 2025, it will start operating on a 24-hour model, 24-hour operational model. Each and every hour, right around the clock, uh, immigration officers for immigration will be working tirelessly. They'll be working flat out at that border post, Victoria Falls border post, on a 24-hour model, 24-hour operational model. Right. You may begin to ask, okay, so what are the reasons why they've decided to change from fixed hours to go to a 24-hour model? Why are they shifting or changing from fixed hours? For example, 8 to 5 p.m. or maybe 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. or maybe 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Why are they changing or shifting, moving away from fixed hours and now adopt 24-hour model starting from December 2025 going forward into the future? Why? So these are the reasons, very simple reasons. Reason number one, uh, according to the chief director in the Department of Immigration, chief director in the Department of Immigration in Zimbabwe, uh, she said, the reason are to see the first movement of people, first movement of goods across each and every border post, including Victoria Falls border post. So they want to see, or they've been seeing that there's fast movement of goods, there's fast movement of people at Victoria Falls border post from Zimbabwe to Zambia and from Zambia to Zimbabwe, either way. So there's a lot of people moving either way from Zimbabwe to Zambia and from Zambia to Zimbabwe. There's a lot of goods, a lot of vehicles, motor vehicles moving either way from Zambia into Zimbabwe, from Zimbabwe into Zambia. So they've decided to increase the number of working hours. They've decided to load again more operational hours on this issue. So this is the chief reason, this is the principal reason why they've decided to move away from fixed hours and go to adopt 24-hour operational model because of a lot of traffic, human traffic and motor vehicle traffic moving along that route, Zambia into Zimbabwe, Zimbabwe into Zambia, on that route, Victoria Falls border post. So they want to work a lot more hours, to have a lot of time to work on this issue without just sticking to fixed hours as they used to do in the past. So this is the reason there's a lot of traffic, a lot of movement of goods, a lot of movement of people via that route from Zimbabwe into Zambia, from Zambia into Zimbabwe, at whatever time of the day or at whatever time of the night. So this is the chief reason. Reason number two, they want to speed up a trade or connectivity or economic cooperation or economic investment, business investment. They want to speed up regional connectivity, regional cooperation between uh, these two countries, of course, under the banner of Southern Africa, but specifically between these two countries, Zambia and Zimbabwe, speeding up the efficiency or the effectiveness of trade, of investment, economic cooperation, regional connectivity, regional cooperation between these two countries, Zambia and Zimbabwe. Like I said, although under the banner of Southern Africa region or SADC, but it will be a play, economic, social, and political play happening between Zambia and Zimbabwe. So this is reason number two. Why to move away from fixed hours and go to a 24-hour operational model? It will help in regional connectivity, regional cooperation, in facilitating and boosting a lot of trade, a lot of investment, economic investment, based investment between Zambia and Zimbabwe. These two countries, two nations, of course, under the banner of SADC or Southern African Development Community. So these are the reasons why the government of Zimbabwe, the current administration led by President Emmerson Mnangagwa, they've decided to change at Victoria Falls border post from fixed hours model in and coming to adopt a 24 operational model. What are your thoughts, what are comments on what I've said? Drop right type in the comments box, comment section. I'll come and see them out. Let's talk further from there. I'm done talking. Sharp.